Welcome to Chapter 7, Input and Output Functions. Up until now, our programs have used hard-coded data. However, real-world applications need to interact with users or external systems. Input and output functions are the way our program communicates with the outside world. 1. What is output? Output is the data generated by the program that is delivered to the user or an external destination, such as a monitor, printer, or file. In Python, the most fundamental output function is the print function. 2. What is input? Input is the data received by the program from the user or an external source, typically through a keyboard, a mouse, or a file. The primary function for receiving keyboard input in Python is the input function. 3. The standard I/O streams. These I/O functions rely on three standard streams inherited from the operating system: standard input, typically the keyboard; standard output, typically the screen or console; and standard error, which is used for error messages and is also typically displayed on the screen. Understanding these two core mechanisms, input and output, is vital for building interactive programs. In the next few lectures, we will look at each function. First, we will go to output. Join me in Lecture 0702. Print.